everybody's. That looks like the Baxter's boat. It's on.
Get smoked.
They're the super tightest howdy guys, business guys.
It's 7 o'clock start.
Oh, it's official. Oh, nothing. I gotta hold back. Nothing.
Break it all.
Leave it left. Got it. I'll give it to him.
Greg Long.
Yeah, I'll give it to him.
Damien Hopkins on the left.
Oh, Damien's still. Leave it left.
Oh, get it. Get it.
He got it. I'll give it to him. It's on. We let it go.
I think there are a lot of people that know.
Look at these peaks just all roll on in. Wave blocked it. No wave blocked it. Well, when I saw the picture, when I saw the photos they posted on Facebook, and I looked. Oh my God! All the men were wearing the same shirt. In America, they're the ones.
Interference. Get out.
Sick. Outside.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, Red Cross. Just need one. We don't know. We need
Here. Not that. His head.
going. Billy. On a sick one. For not being, he doesn't take many lefts, but he's making it. Yeah, Billy. Sick. That was the one, buddy. How's the left feel? Oh, going. Billy. On a sick one. For not being, he doesn't take many lefts, but he's making it. Yeah, Billy. Sick. That was the one, buddy. How's the left feel? What was it? Yeah, Billy.
Freaks, for Christ's sakes.
Looking at it.
Now you turn around, then we're going to have
Going.
He's got to come back through that.
Dang. Don't want no one to know that. They don't want everybody to know.
Hot spots.
Yeah, because it's going to draw more people in and suck up more of the fucking signal. It's like, fuck.
Register yours yet, Big Al?
We got...
Got the line, got the barrel line. Ooh, yeah.
Oh! West for it again. He's probably going, fuck. Albie.
It was filling up the screen more, but then
That was a good one.
I thought he was trying to get barrel.
It might have barreled. Look at this one. It might have barreled. Look at this one. Oh, no,
Stick with that part maybe. Taking it.
on a wahoo. Oh my goodness.
Aquaponics. There's no dirt involved. Helio? Oh, Yuri.
You almost got caught on the top again. You almost got caught on the top again. Yeah, but the one in the back. Wow. Oh man, he went down, I give it to him. Wow.
Aaron Gold.
Oh.
Yeah. He's the guy that won the big one last year.
Oh, you can hook it. You can hook it. Right on the buzzer. No, I went right. No, I went left. Oh, sweet. Oh, back door. Yeah. All right. Been a hider. Yeah. Oh, it's fell.
Looking nice, huh?
Yeah, it's a nice boat.
Oh, there's the man, Dory.
Drop, Rob. That is heavy. Oh, yes. This is the only place I've ever seen it.
Got it, got it.
Made it.
I had to shoot the right in.
That was Andrew. Not good. Not good.
In front of the skis.
Yeah.
Thought that was good.
Oh, she just got caught again.
Yeah.
The first two.
Main on the inside here.
Okay. Yeah.
Just like that. Ooh, that looks like it hurts. A little laugh. Oh, high. Going. High line, high line. Yeah.
There you go. You got it.
Put it up after the buzzer.
Yeah. There we go. Come on, where's that? Come on, it's coming right at ya. There he goes.
Wow, nice recovery. Awesome.
Sick. Was that Walsh?
Wow, that was a nice freaking recovery.
Walsh? There he goes.
Wow, nice recovery. Awesome.
Sick. Was that Walsh?
Wow.
All right.
Good to see you, buddy.
Yeah, good to see ya.
Go over. You go over.
Oh, you took hard. Got it.
Hold up. Over the fucking. He's under it. Got it.
The price is heavy.
Good. Under the hook. Chris sound. Yeah, Pete. There, you got it. Seal the deal. Pete, yeah. Nobody else is getting it. Might as well get another one. Don't die, buddy. I went left. Goes to right. What? Yeah. Who is that? Oh, it's Billy. Interference? Sick shot with the helicopter. Wonderful man.
Got tall right there.
On the inside, yeah.